This is Josh from Painting by Josh. Today I have teamed up with the legends at Go Industrial / Mirka to try out the new Mirka Galaxy Abrasives. These are hot off the press. Here we are, looky. So yeah, pretty much the difference between these, the Abranets, the Iridiums, and a couple other ones that they've got out there these are a self-sharpening abrasive, sharpen as you sand. So the ceramic grain in the abrasive falls off as you are sanding, which results to it sharpening as you sand. This is a 120 grit. I sanded the whole side of a house, still retained its 120 profile grit. They are a ceramic and aluminium oxide face. It has a very similar scratch pattern to the Abranet. Super smooth, unbelievable to work with. So this has a multi-hole configuration, so it will fit on most other sanders. You are not just tied to Mirka if you want to run a particular different product sander and a Mirka pad. You can do that. It's going to interact with each other. It's going to work. The other thing I like about these, they last. So where the Iridium, I found that it was a paperback and it just didn't last as long as what these do. All right, so also these come in a profile or grit going from 80 to 800, and they come in a neat pack of 100 discs, which works out cheaper than what the Iridium or the Abranet pads are. So you're getting a high quality pad at a decent price and it's gonna last. All right, so let's whack one on and let's start sanding. Oh, I've already got one on, and it's from me sanding the side. So this is pretty much perfect. Just another quick too, I'm running the 10mm interface pad, so whenever you want to contour to a surface or mold to a corner, you can double these up multiple times to a thickness that you desire, or you can do it straight. But I always really like anything I sand these days has the interface pad on. It seems like it's a nice smooth sand, and yeah, like I said, it can contour to all the edges and everything like that. So little quick tip as I'm going, the Galaxy pad, let's get it. Alright, there you go. So there's a quick wrap on the new hot out of the box Galaxy sanding pads. Hope you all like what you see. Give them a go, get in contact with the legends at Go, jump online, grab a box. I can honestly say you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in always. Much love, peace, love and paint.